Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a free logo. So right now open your browser. I try to search logo maker makr.com. So in this logo maker you can create your own logo, your company logo. Just click start my design. So this is like new AI logo generator. So you can use this AI. This is the first way you can create your own logo. This is free one. Or you can create your own by click blank canvas here. So you can find your logo and graphics. Search over 3 million graphics here. Or you can manually add shape here like square or anything you want. Here for example, you can undo or you can add text first. Here, new logo. You can use the style, change the style. Here, set the fill, a black, and then use bold. Maybe you want to use bold. Here you can use word spacing. And after that, you can add a graphic here. So this is like a free one. So for example, football. Here, new logo, FC. This is a logo for a soccer or football club that you can make. Here the option, or you can change the color here. And after that, you can feel free to try to create your own design, or you can use AI logo generator. Here for example, football, sorry, okay, a sports club. So you have to wait, but if you think this is enough you can save the logo, but you have to pay attention. If you download with high resolution you have to pay. There is a plan, but download just low resolution only. Enter your email and then you can download it for free. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the text button below. See you.